you are doing good and safe at home. Let's start our English class with a word of the day. Usually, we are starting our class with a word of the day, right? Yes. Last two classes, you have learned two new words. Do you remember that? Yes. First one is, do you remember? Yes. Say louder. Yes. Copious. Right? How do you read this? This is not copious. This is copious. Okay? Copious means abundant or more, plentiful. Right? Numerous. Okay. Then next one, dawdle. How do you read this? Dawdle. That is around, right? Yes. The right pronunciation is dawdle. Dawdle means waste of time or else be slow. Right? Okay, very good. Now, let's learn a new word, that is abdicate. A-B-D-I-C-A-T-E. What is this? Abdicate. Okay? Abdicate, which means resign. Okay? Resign or quit or give up. Okay? Resign, quit or give up. Okay? What is the word? Abdicate. Say louder. Abdicate. You have to say this word in Zoom session. Okay? You should not say, I don't know ma'am, I don't remember. Okay? Please remember this. Abdicate. Okay? Abdicate. A-B-D-I-C-A-T-E. Abdicate. Okay? What is the meaning? Resign. Resigning or else quit. Quit means stop. Okay? Then give up. That also stop. Okay? Abdicate means resign, quit or give up. Okay? Resign, have you heard this word? Yes, right? I resign my job. Resign means quit, stop. Okay? Like that. One example, many parents simply abdicate their job for their children. Okay? Many parents simply abdicate their job for their children. Did you understand this sentence? Many parents simply abdicate, which means resign or quit or give up their job for their children. Okay? See, some parents, they are in high position or they have got some good job, but because of their children, they give up that. Okay? They resign their job and they look after their children. Okay? That is abdicate. Got it? Many parents simply abdicate their job for their children. Okay? What is the word of the day? Abdicate, which means resign or quit or give up. Okay? Dear students, hope you know this word and you know this meaning. You have to write 5 sentences by using this word. Okay? Got it? Can you write it? Yes. Take a snap and send it to me. Okay? Let's jump into our lesson. What a lesson we are learning. Do you remember that? What is the title? Very good. What strange creatures. Okay? What strange creatures. This is not creatures. Say creatures. Okay? What strange creatures. Okay? In this lesson, we are learning some strange creatures, right? We can see only in pictures. Am I right? Yes. See, we have learned 2 strange fishes. Do you remember that? One is pacu fish, then another one is, say louder. Very good. Blob fish. What is the spelling of pacu fish? P-A-C-U. Pacu, then fish. Okay, F-I-S-H. Then blob. Spell the word blob. B-L-O-B. Okay, blob fish. Right? We have learned about 2 fishes. Right? Strange fishes. Okay, then what are the characteristics of Pacu fish? Do you know? Yes, Pacu fish are similar to what? Do you remember? Very good. Piranhas, right? Piranhas. Okay. Then what do you know about piranhas? Piranhas means it's a small fish that can attack and eat other live animals, right? Yes. So this Pacu fish are also similar to piranhas. Am I right? Yes, but they are big in size. Okay, Pacu fish are big in size. Got it? Okay. Then where do we find this? Yes, we can find this in rivers of South America. Okay, we can find this in rivers of South America, especially or mainly in Papua New Guinea. Okay, in this place we can see this. Okay, then what is the speciality of this fish? Yes, this fish has teeth like human being. Okay, so that it is peculiar. Am I right? Then what is the food? Yes, nuts and seeds. Yes, right? You remember. Then we have learned about another fish. What is the name of that fish? Very good. Blob. The blob fish. Okay, open your mouth and say the answers. Okay, where do we see this fish? Deep waters of Australia. Okay, deep waters of Australia. Are they heavy or weightless? Are they heavy? No. Right? They are weightless so that they can float. They can float on that surface of the water. Right? They do not swim. Okay. Then what is the food? Yes, they can eat whatever float on the water. Till that we have learned in our previous class. Am I right? Okay. Now let's start the next part. Okay. All of you take your book, open it, page number 44. Okay. Have you all taken page number 44? Take a pencil also. Okay. I will play the audio. You have to listen the audio carefully. Then underline the hard words. Okay. What are the words you don't know to read? Underline it. Okay. Then replay the audio. Then verify those words. Okay. Have you all taken your book? Are you ready to listen? Yes. Number 44. Fourth para. You have seen pandas and you have seen ants. But have you ever heard about the panda ant? These are wingless wasps found in Chile. The little insects get their name from their black and white panda-like appearance. However, these wasps are known for their painful sting. The kakapo, also called the owl parrot, is a flightless bird which is found in New Zealand. This bird is also said to be the heaviest of all parrots. It is nocturnal or a night bird. It is a rare bird and is almost extinct. It can be found only on 3 islands in the world. Have you all read your text? Yes. Okay. Did you understand anything from that? Have you got some idea? Okay. See, in this class also we are going to learn about 2 new creatures. Okay. That is, one is panda ant. Okay. Panda ant. Another one is the kakapo. Okay, one is panda ant, another one is kakapo. Okay, do you know about this? Have you seen panda ant and kakapo? Yes or no? No. Have you seen panda? Yes. Have you seen ant? Every day we can see, right? Yes. Then, have you seen panda ant? wings. Okay? Wingless wasp. Wasp, do you know? Have you seen bees, honeybees? Yes, they are wasp. Okay? Wasp means black and yellow flying insects with stings. They resemble bees. Okay? Black and yellow flying insects with stings. They resemble bees. Okay, they look like bees. Okay, that is called wasp. Got it? So this panda ant also wingless wasp. Okay, they are wingless wasp. They don't have wings and they are considered as wasp. Okay, have you got it? But wasp means black and yellow. Black and yellow flying insects with stings. They resemble bees, right? But this panda ant is not in color of black and yellow. Okay, this panda ant is black and white in color. Okay, black and white in color. Have you seen panda? What is the color of panda? Black and white. Am I right? So that this panda ant has its name. Okay, because they have the color like panda, black and white. Okay, so that they got this name, panda. Panda. Okay, got it? Panda ant. Okay, then we can find this in Chile. Chile. What is this? Chile. Okay, this is the US spelling of Chile. We use this spelling, right? Chilli. Okay, but in US they use this spelling. Chile. Chile. Do you know Chile? Yes. Okay, this is the US spelling. Okay, US spelling of Chile. Got it? We use this spelling, but in US they use this spelling for Chile. Okay, so we can find this panda ant in Chile. Okay, what is the color of panda ant? Black and white. Okay, they resemble panda. Okay, the color of panda. So they got this name. These verbs are known for its painful sting. Okay, do you know sting? In honeybee, scorpion, we can see it, right? Yes, it injects poison in our body. Okay, that is sting. Okay, these panda ants are known for its painful sting. Okay, what did you learn about panda ant? Yes, they are wingless wasp. Okay, this panda ants are wingless wasp. We can find this in Chile. Okay, this is US spelling of Chile. Okay, then that small insect got name like a panda, right? Why? Yes, because they are black and white in color like panda. So that it got its name. Okay, then these panda ants are known for its painful sting. Okay, got it? Now let's move on to another one strange creature. Okay, do you have any guess? You have already read the text, right? So you got some idea. What is the name of that creature? Very good. Kakapo. Okay, kakapo. Have you heard this word before? Yes, in our Let's Go page we have seen this word, right? Okay, look at this picture. What is this? Kakapo. Have you seen this before? No idea. Okay, see, this kakapo is also known as, also called as owl parrot. Okay, this kakapo is also called as owl parrot. Why? Why do we call like owl parrot? Look at this picture once again. How does it look? Very good. It looks like an owl, right? And also it's look like an parrot. It's look like an owl and it's look like a parrot. So that we call this owl parrot. Got it? Owl parrot. Okay, which is otherwise called as owl parrot? Very good. Kakapo. Okay. Then they are flightless bird. Flightless means they do not fly. Okay. Flightless, which means unable to fly. Okay. Flightless means unable to fly. Got it? Then we can found this in New Zealand. Okay. We can found this in New Zealand. Got it? Then they are heaviest of all parrots. Look at this picture again. They are very big, right? Yes. They are heaviest of all parrots. Okay, they are big. Got it? Then they are nocturnal. What do you mean by nocturnal? Do you know? Nocturnal are night bird. They are called as nocturnal or night bird. What do you mean by nocturnal? Stay awake at night. Okay, at night time they stay awake. Okay, so this owl parrots are nocturnal or night bird. Okay, they stay awake at night time. Okay, then they are rare species. Okay, these owl parrots are rare. We cannot see some years after. We cannot see this. Okay, rare and almost extinct. Extinct means almost destroyed. Okay, then we can see this in 3 islands in the world. Okay, these kakapo are only in 3 islands in the world. Got it? Once again, what did you learn about kakapo? These are otherwise called as owl parrot because it resembles owl and parrot. Okay, so we call this as owl parrot, and they are flightless bird. They do not fly. They are unable to fly. Okay, then we can found this in New Zealand. Then they are the heaviest of all parrots. Okay, then this owl parrot are nocturnal and night bird. Okay, night bird means they stay awake at night. Okay, then they are a rare species, almost they extinct. Extinct means destroyed. Okay, then we can see this in 3 islands in the world. Okay, have you got it? Once again, what did you learn first? About panda ant, right? Okay, they are wingless wasps. Then we can find this in Chile. Okay, this spelling is US spelling of Chile. Okay, then they are black and white in color. It resembles panda, so that it got its name. Okay, panda. Then they are well known for its painful sting. Got it? Then we have learned about kakapo. These are called as owl parrot. They are flightless bird. Then we can found this in New Zealand. Then they are heaviest of all parrots. Then they are nocturnal or night bird. Then they are rare species. Almost they extinct in this world. Then they are mainly in 3 islands in the world. Have you got it? Yes. Did you understand? Once again, let's see the meanings. Wasp, which means black and yellow flying insects with stings. They resemble bees. Okay. Then flightless, which means unable to fly. Okay. Then nocturnal, which means stay awake at night. Did you understand? Yes, students. Hope you understand this. Now let's watch the animation video of this part. Are you ready? Yes.
You may think you have seen and learnt about all animals and birds around you. But you will be surprised to know that the living world consists of a variety of creatures, animals, birds, insects and plants that you have not even heard about. Many of these creatures have features so strange that they would seem unreal to us. Let us hear about some of them. The pacu fish are similar to piranhas, but bigger in size. The paku fish are found in the rivers of South America, mainly Papua New Guinea. These fish have a huge set of teeth that resemble human teeth, which makes them peculiar. They feed on nuts and seeds. The blobfish are found in the deep waters of Australia. They have jelly-like flesh and float on the water because of their lightweight bodies and do not swim. They wait on the surface of the water and swallow food that floats towards them. You have seen pandas and you have seen ants. But have you ever heard about the panda ant? These are wingless wasps found in Chile. The little insects get their name from their black and white panda-like appearance. However, these wasps are known for their painful sting. The kakapo, also called the owl parrot, is a flightless bird which is found in New Zealand. This bird is also said to be the heaviest of all parrots. It is nocturnal or a night bird. It is a rare bird and is almost extinct. It can be found only on 3 islands in the world.
Have you all watched the video? Okay, did you get some more ideas? Very good. Dear students, read the text again and again, underline the hard words, study the spelling, then study the meaning also. Then one more homework, you have to write 5 sentences by using the word of the day. Right? Yes. Okay, let's meet in next class. Bye-bye.